Horses out, we have Royalty Material. Best to begin and on the outside. Second is Ilocos Magic, Security Rose. And Pagano is the early trailer. We have Royalty Material. By our neck and on the outside is Ilocos Magic. A length back into now is Security Rose. And a long way back to Pagano. Royalty Material by our lane Kanehapa. Ilocos Magic in second. Security Rose now moving up on the outside to take second. And Pagano still racing in last. That's still Royalty Material by our lane. Security Rose now moving up on the outside second. Ilocos Magic and Pagano. That's still Royalty Material. And on the outside is Security Rose battling out for the leader. Ilocos Magic in third and Pagano. And it's still Royalty Material by Amananeka. And on the outside is Security Rose, Ilocos Magic and Pagano. Royalty Material still in front by Orlenga. And on the outside is Security Rose, Ilocos Magic and Pagano as they come down to the last 150 with Royalty Material by Amananeka. Security Rose in second. Pagano is on the outside, Ilocos Magic. We have Royalty Material now strides away by about 3 lengths. Pagano on the outside, Security Rose entering the finish line is Royalty Material. Second, Security Rose close with Pagano, Ilocos Magic.
Inabot ba, Coach? Hindi siguro, no?
Hindi.
Oh, so it's 1-3-2 pa rin. Alright. Double sales, 725,000, 580.